always became angry just because of one thought, just because of one beginner thought. When someone said that when someone said that out of my box, when someone said that out of my box, that means out of my area field, that means it becomes just a trigger for me for angriness. Once someone said that that you can't do, and once someone said that you have no ability to do, then my mind began to trigger about this. What is this and why not I can do? That is the reason I became so angry. And we never think about it, why, where this angriness come, where is the angriness come. And once you recognize that, once you begin to recognize that, that means you are able to understand your angriness. And it just trigger, it just triggered by one thought, one beginner thought, immediately reaction. When someone hit you, when someone says you something out of box, that means you become angry. And immediately in your mind began to run all negative thoughts. That means this is the negative thoughts. And if you want to focus on your negative thought, that means you began to trapped in your thoughts. First of all, stop yourself and then say no. It's not a right choice to immediately action reaction. Immediately reaction become dangerous for you. Immediately taking decision becomes dangerous for everyone. So make sure that once you become angry, don't take any decision and don't take any action. This is most important. And once you begin to recognize your thoughts process, that means you are able to understand your thinking. And this is all, this is all is the thinking, this is all is the matter of thinking. But you have to recognize yourself also, that when you become angry and when you become so calm, that means that is the main point for every angriness. And now I'm going to talk about how to manage this. Look, when you get angry, that means keep quiet. This is the foolproof way to manage your angriness. And if you became keep quiet, that means your angriness trigger you in your mind and poke you that say something. Please don't say at that time anything, because you are not saying anything, your angriness saying say anything. So in most cases we have to recognize that this is not right decision. Immediately action immediately becomes a thought. It all is dangerous. So stay away from that thought and say, before saying, you have to take a full one full breathing and then say why this. And I know that in our mind always play a negative thought, and we know that this is negative thought, and yet your mind begin to play it again. So one way to stop this playing negative thought, that stop your mind, that you don't care about it, ignore it. This is the foolproof way, and I personally use it. And once you begin to ignore this thought, that means you neglect your negative thoughts and act on the practical example, or act on the practical situation, and see the any situation, any problem as the third person, not see the from your perspective. See the third person's perspective, what third person want to say this on this decision. This is the real fact. You have to recognize this. And once you begin to recognize your thought process, this thought process is like a river. It always flows. And once you want to stop it, it can't stop. So please try to understand your negative thought and try to overcome with this negative thought and try to think in another way. And if your mind play a negative thought, that means take a long breath and postpone your decision, and then